New Year! Welcome 2025. I'm out of the house at this moment, 12 o'clock. And I would just like to capture how New Year is being celebrated in Davao City with a Torotot. Happy New Year! Ka-RDR! Torotot! Really peaceful celebration here. Okay, let's move forward there. The kids, the adults, teenagers, we will just go out and have their walking. Just like this one, you are safe with all this. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Yeah, ma'am, sir. Yeah, that's how we celebrate. Ouch! Oops! So kids are playing. Agis ako ha. Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Yeah, more years para sa to ah. This is how friendly my ka-RDR. When we will greet them Happy New Year, they will also reply, Happy New Year, ka-RDR, sir. More New Year to come. Ka-RDR. The house are well lighted and we celebrate without fireworks, without firecrackers. Just music, eating, and sounds of car, sounds of motorcycles, Torotot above all. Music inside the house being played. See, it's really exciting to be in Davao. Life is here. Peaceful celebration of another year. Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Yeah, more years ato yeah. So this is how we are really having our New Year celebration. Not a single firecrackers or firearms that was being heard here in the subdivision. Simple greetings of Happy New Year to my ka-RDR. Yeah, sweet music. It's 12 o'clock. But this is my coverage of New Year in Davao. Let's look over there. How is it? No drunkards. Yeah. No people quarreling outside. That's it. Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Ma'am, Happy New Year! Yeah, very serene ang celebration. Ay, Happy New Year! So let's go around the subdivision. Wow. The area rather is well lighted. So that's it, how we celebrate. crimes are avoided, in as much as the residents are not involved in heated argument or quarreling due to the too much drinking of hard drink. It's not here. No, no, no. Wala yan dito sa subdivision. It's so simple and way of celebrating here, away from danger or whatever bad situation. Let's move farther there on that side. I'm on another block of the subdivision. Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Happy New Year! We'll go in the other area, the other block of this subdivision over there. Wow, it's really peaceful at 12 o'clock. Only sounds of music, and of course the family who are talking with one another. With all the Christmas decoration, Christmas lights. On this side. It's quite dark on this area, but it's not scary. In as much as you are sure of your safety of the Davao venues here. Over there is already well lighted. And this is it. Just the sounds of the motor that you can hear going around the subdivision. Happy New Year, ka-RDR! Yeah, more years. Yeah, mabuhay. Yeah, young people here, they are just having their cell phone, talking to their friends. Wow, really wonderful celebration. You see, no casualty. Why? Because there's no loose firearms. Yeah, there's no street bullet here. No fireworks, no firecrackers. Just a simple way of making sounds. Sounds of motorcycles. Sounds of music, sound of talking. Let's go to the guardhouse. Happy New Year, Sir Guard! What is your New Year message? Happy New Year to all. So my friend guard here is on his post. And this area is the parking areas of motorcycles. So it's quiet now. It's past 12 o'clock. So have a glimpse of Residencia del Rayo celebration here as we welcome 2025. Happy New Year mga sirs, ka-RDR. So sounds of motorcycles. Very peaceful celebration. So, walay hubog. Yeah, so this is it. My coverage of glimpses. Happy New Year celebration here in Residencia del Rio Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño, Talobo District, Davao City. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, retired teacher, live and alive, just making glimpses or captured episodes as we welcome year 2025. Happy New Year everyone! May kamabuhay and kamabuhay years. Everyone on Facebook, friends, my ka-reels, my ka-YouTubers. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good life, good person, good life. Until my next vlog. Thank you everyone. Please continue to watch my YouTube Mabuhay channel. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, signing off here in Davao City. Life is here. Mabuhay! Happy New Year and welcome 2025. For more blessings for all of us. Mabuhay!